starts with the eh sound. Egg, eel. Which one has the e sound?
Eel.
Great! Eel starts with the e sound. These words have the eh sound in the middle. Match the pictures and the
dress.
words.
Web. Bed. Web. Bed. Dress.
Good job! Which words have the eh sound?
Men.
Give them to the hen.
Men. Crib. Gum. Dish.
Try
Jet.
again.
Yak.
Oop.
Stamp. Gum.
Try
Dish.
again. Oops.
Fat. Web.
Good thinking. These words have the e sound in the middle.
Feet.
Match the
Feet.
pictures
Feet. Wheel.
and the words.
Leaf. Seal.
Good work. Which words have the e sound? Give
Seal.
them to the
Feet.
queen.
Kite. Globe. Wheel.
Great! Give the hen the words with the eh sound. Give the queen the
Men.
words with the
Wheel.
e sound.
Seal. Men. Deer. Beans. Deer. Web. Dress. Jet. Bed. Beans.
Give the hen. Great job! Cherry starts with the ch sound. And shark starts with the sh sound. Draw a line to match the picture with its beginning sound.
Shirt. Car.
Awesome! Drag the words with the sh sound. To Rhea, drag
Shark.
the words with
Child.
the ch sound.
Shore.
To Pet,
Cherry. Chime.
try
Chime.
cool beans. Drag the words with the ch sound. To Sandy, drag the words with the sh sound. To Olo,
Shadow. Cherry. Chime. Shirt. Child.
keep it up. Sort the things by their beginning sound. Ch
Check.
and
Chime.
sh.
Shovel. Shadow.
Keep up the good work. Sort the things by their beginning sound. Ch and sh.
Shake. Check. Cherry. Shirt. Shadow.
Nice.
This is a sentence. The tree is tall. Can you spot the capital letter? A capital letter is an uppercase letter. It looks different because it's big. There's the capital letter.
Which word starts with a capital letter in the sentence? Rhea loves. Nice work. Which word starts with a capital letter in the sentence? She. Super. Oh no! This sentence isn't capitalized. Can you fix I? Super duper. This sentence isn't capitalized. Can you fix it? Trees. Sweet. Which sentence is correctly capitalized? Do you like oops? Which sentence do you like tree? That's it. The first word in a sentence is always capitalized. Which sentence is correctly capitalized? The tree is green. That's it. The first word in a sentence